Hi everyone, welcome to Learn with me. My name is Param. I hope you all are doing well. Guys, in today's video, I'm gonna share with you some daily useful short phrases as well as sentences which can be used in our daily conversation. I hope this video will be useful to you. So without wasting time, let's get started. First sentence is, क्या कहते हो? What do you say? What do you say? अपनी बात पर कायम रहना. Keep your words. Keep your words. मेरा मन नहीं है बाहर जाने का. I don't feel like going out. So guys, मेरा मन नहीं है, मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा, मेरा दिल नहीं कर रहा. उसके लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं feel like. Feel like. I don't feel like going out. शायद हाँ भी और नहीं भी. Maybe or not maybe. Maybe or not maybe. क्या मैं आपसे पूछ सकता हूँ क्यों? या फिर क्या मैं पूछ सकता हूँ क्यों? May I ask you why? May I ask you why? ऐसा करना गलत है. This is wrong to do it. This is wrong to do it. मैं शराफत से पूछ रहा हूँ. I am asking with respect. I am asking with respect. मेरी मीटिंग है. I have a meeting. I have a meeting. जाने दो, हमें क्या है? Leave it. What do we have to do? Leave it. What do we have to do? तुम्हारी ही कमी थी. ये फ्रेज हम तब यूज़ करते हैं जब हम फ्रस्ट्रेटेड होते हैं या तो कोई बार बार हमें कुछ करने के लिए बोल रहा होता है और हम गुस्से में बोल देते हैं कि बस आपकी ही कमी थी, बस आप ही बचे थे बोलने के लिए. उस सेंस में हम बोल देते हैं बस तुम्हारी ही कमी थी. इंग्लिश में हम इसे कहेंगे ओनली यू वर लेफ्ट. ओनली यू वर लेफ्ट. मैंने सुना नहीं. आई डिडंट लिसन. आई डिडंट लिसन या फिर आई डिड नॉट लिसन. आप यहाँ कब तक रुकेंगे या कब तक रहेंगे? How long will you stay here? How long will you stay here? मुझे तुम्हें कुछ बताने दो. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. समय बहुत जल्दी बीत जाता है. Time runs out very quickly. Time runs out very quickly. मैं तुम्हें क्यों बताऊं? Why should I tell you? Why should I tell you? अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं. Now or never. Now or never. मैं कुछ भी समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ. I can't figure out anything. और I cannot figure out anything. देखते हैं क्या होता है. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. क्या ऐसा कुछ है जो आप मुझे बताना चाहते हो? Is there anything you want to tell me? Is there anything you want to tell me? मेरे पास शाम तक का समय है. I have time till evening. I have time till evening. यह आपको कहाँ से मिला? Where did you get it? Where did you get it? या तो तुम बोलो या मुझे बोलने दो. Either you speak or let me speak. Either you speak or let me speak. वह अभी सो रहा होगा. He would be sleeping right now. He would be sleeping right now. वह दूसरों से अलग है. She is different from others. She is different from others. तुम्हें जितना खाना है खा लो. Eat as much as you want. Eat as much as you want. आपको जो करना है वो करो. Do whatever you want to do. Do whatever you want to do. जो मैं कह रहा हूँ उस पर ध्यान दो। Pay attention to what I'm saying. Pay attention to what I'm saying. मैं फैसला कर चुका हूँ। I have decided. I have decided. मुझे गलत मत समझो। Don't take me wrong. और don't get me wrong. Don't take me wrong. मुझे कभी मौका ही नहीं मिला। I never got a chance. I never got a chance. So friends, these were the 30 phrases and sentences which we discussed in this video. I hope you liked it. If you like, please like and subscribe my channel for more content. I'll meet you in new video with new content. Till that time, all the best. Good luck. Bye-bye.